Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to solve this question, and we have a f of x which is equal to a times x cube plus b times x square plus c times x plus d. And in our question is given that f of square root 2 plus square root 3, this is equal to square root 2, and we find the value of f of 10. So let's start. We use this information. So in the first step we replace this x by square root 2 plus square root 3. So this is a f of, we replace x by square root 2 plus square root 3. So this is a time square root 2 plus square root 3 whole cube plus b time square root 2 plus square root 3 whole square plus c into square root 2 plus square root 3 plus d. Now we simplify this form. We have a square root 2 plus square root 3 whole cube. To solve this part, we use this identity, which is a plus b whole cube. As we know, this is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times a square b plus 3 times a multiply b square. So we apply this identity on this value, then we have a square root 2 cube plus square root 3 cube plus 3 times square root 2 square, multiply this by 3, square root 3 plus 3 multiply square root 2 multiply square root 3 whole square. Now we simplify this, so we have a square root 2 whole cube. This is equal to 2 times square root 2 plus square root 3 cube. This is equal to 3 times square root 3 plus this square and square root cancel, so we just get 2. Multiply this 2 by 3, we get 6, so we have a 6 times square root 3. This square and square root cancel, so we get 3. Multiply 3, which is equal to 9 times square root 2. So we have a square root 2 plus square root 3 whole cube. This is equal to, look at the right hand side, this is a 2 times square root 2, this is a 9 times square root 2. If we add, then we get 11 times square root 2 plus 3 times square root 3 plus 6 times square root 3. This is equal to 9 times square root 3. So now we simplify this part. So we have a square root 2 plus square root 3 whole square. This is equal to, we use this identity, a plus b whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 times product of ab. So using this identity, this is equal to square root 2 square plus square root 3 square plus 2 times square root 2 multiply square root 3. So now we simplify, this square and square root cancel, we get 2 plus this square and square root cancel, we just get 3 plus this is a 2 time, multiply this, then we get a 6. Square root 2 plus square root 3 whole square, this is equal to 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 2 times square root 6. So f of square root 2 plus square root 3, this is equal to 11 times square root 2 plus 9 times square root 3 plus b, and this part is equal to 5 plus 2 times square root 6. We copy this remaining value, c into square root 2 plus square root 3 plus d. Now we simplify this, we multiply this a by this 2 value, then we have a 11 times a square root 2 plus 9a multiply 3, and this is a 5 times b plus this is a 2b square root 6, this is a c times square root 2 plus this is a c times square root 3 plus d. And in our question, f of square root 2 plus square root 3, this is equal to square root 2. So here we write a square root 2. Now in the next step, we combine like terms. So we have a 11a plus c, multiply this by square root 2 plus 9a, this one, plus c, multiply this by square root 3, and after that we write this plus 5 times b. The next term is a 2b, multiply this by square root 6, and the last one is a plus d. And the left hand side is a square root 2. Now we compare a left hand side and right hand side. So this implies 11a plus c, this is the like term, so this is equal to 1, and 9a plus c, this is equal to 0 because we have no value of square root 3 on left hand side. So 5b plus 2 multiply b times square root 6, this is equal to 0, and d it's equal to 0. Now look at this. So b involved in these two terms, so we factor out b and the remaining value is a 5 plus 2 times square root 6, this is equal to 0. Now this implies b is equal to 0. So in our question, d is equal to 0 and b is also equal to 0. Now we find the value of a and c. For this we use this two equation. Call this is equation number 1 and this is our second equation. Now look at this equation number 2. We write this as a c is equals to minus 9a. Now we put this value in equation 1. Then we have a 11a plus, and the c is equals to this one, minus 9 times a. This is equal to 0. Now we simplify, so we have a 11a minus plus minus 9 times a. This is equal to 1. 11a minus 9 times a, this is equal to 2a is equal to 1. So this implies a is equal to 1 over 2. So now we find the value of c. For this we use this equation. Equation number 3, c is equals to minus 9 and a is equal to 1 over 2. So if we simplify, then we get c is equals to minus 9 over 2. So this is the value of c. So f of x is equals to a is a 1 over 2 x cube plus b is a 0. So this whole term is 0. Now look at the c, and c is a minus 9 over 2 times x plus d is also 0. So we write this as a 1 over 2 x cube minus 9 over 2 x. So f of x is equal to 1 over 2 x cube minus 9 over 2 x. We find the value of f of 10. So we replace all x by 10. So we have 1 over 2 10 cube minus 9 over 2 10. 1 over 2 10 cube, this is equal to 1000 minus, now we simplify this, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Multiply this 9 by 5, we get 45. We simplify this, so 2 1s are 2, 2 500s are 1000. So we have a 500 minus 45. The left hand side is f of 10. So 500 minus 45, this is equal to 455. So this is the value of f of 10 in our question, and we have done.